Hello everybody, sorry about the bad quality. I am forced to use Cam Studio, even though I really do not like it, but I have to since Fraps apparently doesn't work unless it's on a video game like Minecraft or World of Warcraft. First you need to go to this website. It has bad reputation. That's only because people are mad about ethical issues. But I do not condone any illegal activity. The illegal activity is what makes people want to rate this so badly. But I honestly rate it at max because it's a very useful tool. Web of Trust, it's a really good add-on. Anyway, you go to this website, you download the version for yours, and then after everything's finished and you have it, basically you just make sure email is checked. Don't check FTP, that's just a load of crap over here. Like, it might be useful, I don't know, but it's very hard to set up and I don't see it as worth all the trouble. Just have it set to email you. You can change how long you want. You can do 20 minutes, you can do 24 hours, you can do an hour. I don't really care, it's your choice. I'm not sure what these two do, but smtp at gmail.com. Just leave that, leave the port of 587. Just make a new Gmail account and put the username right there. Sorry. And then you just do whatever password it was, and then you do your actual email that you want them to be sent to. This one is just so that it logs on to that email and sends it to your main email. It doesn't matter if they're the same password or not. FTP, you just ignore. The test email, mine's invalid because I'm using fake emails that don't exist, but those are just examples. If it says that it worked, then go on to the next step here. You can disable anything here you want. I don't suggest it because it will raise suspicion, but you can do whatever you want. Installation, I suggest the top one because if you have it here, then it'll ask for permission to change settings on your computer, and if it's something like an emulator or something that you claim it's a picture and it asks for permission to change your computer, they're gonna get a little suspicious. App data is the very least commonly looked inside of folder. You can do app data or you can do system files. I suggest either one of those two. If you do custom, then it might not be valid. If you do something, if you know a friend plays World of Warcraft, you can make it like project or program files backslash the World of Warcraft, something like that, or Minecraft or some whatever you want. But I suggest app data or system because you might screw up this and the entire thing will mess up. The original file, either remove it or hide it, because if you remove it, if you double click it and then it gives you the error message that I'm going to show you in a little bit, then it just magically disappears. Like either one of those, it'll just magically disappear, unless they are computer savvy and they have show hidden files on files and folders, then they'll see it. They'll get a little suspicious. So I suggest remove, although it does raise the problem that if you accidentally double click it on your system and you go through and you get rid of it on your system, you just uninstall it, then you come back, you'll have to redo all of this if that was your only copy of it. So it just depends on how savvy your target is. Download just ignore all this part. If you want, you can get into it if you have premium and stuff. I'm not sure how all that works, but I don't have premium, so I don't care. The way I make sure this is checked. Do something like we got sorry, Cam Studio is freaking annoying. Just do something like error. And then right here just say invalid command and it will look real. Test it. Sorry, my mouse is messing up because of Cam Studio. I hate this program. Self-destruct. I don't like that one. You can use it if you want, but send installation message. I suggest this one. It says it raises more suspicion, but I wouldn't understand how. I don't understand how. It just doesn't make sense to me. Send message on run, that it sends you an email saying, oh, so and so -PC has run it. Don't send keystroke logs if nothing has been typed. This prevents you from being spammed by blank logs. I'm not sure about this. It's premium anyway. Screenshots. I wish this part worked. You can have it checked if you want, but I don't really get screenshots from it. App settings. Nothing much here. Server creation. This is a cool part. Company. You do something like Microsoft, copyright 2013. Creation date. I don't usually have those checked. That's premium right there. That's premium. Those two aren't really important. Instead of iExplorer.exe, you should have c.exe. Freaking Cam Studio. Just make c.exe, then generate new server, name it whatever you want. You can rename it as many times as you want, it'll still work. Like, comment, subscribe. I am very sorry that Cam Studio is being retarded. I will see you later. Remember, no illegal activities.